Well, good morning, everyone. This morning I'm headed out to do some groceries, and I'm going to Tim Hortons. My sister bought me a card for my birthday, so I have a gift card to splurge this morning on breakfast. So free breakfast on my sister. Thank you, sister. So we're gonna do that today. Let's see what we get for 25 bucks. Let's make it super fun. I'm gonna use an accent when I go through the drive-through because Jay has no voice right now. So I'm gonna do the order.
Hi, what can I help you?
Hello. Can I make an order for 2 breakfast sandwiches with sausage?
I'm sorry, would you like sausage or bacon?
Sausage.
You want a sausage and bacon on English muffin and you want another the same thing, right?
Pardon?
I'm sorry?
You have to speak up.
With sausage.
You just want 2 sausages on English muffin?
A breakfast sandwich with sausage. Farmer's breakfast sandwich with sausage. 2 of them.
Okay, I have 2 sausage English muffin, 2 bacon English muffin.
Oh my god.
You're
2?
having 4 sandwich or 2?
Oh, no. I don't want English muffin. I want a
Sausage farmer.
farmer's breakfast sandwich
Okay.
with sausage.
And is it on a home style biscuit or English muffin? My question's same.
Oh, the wrap.
You want, oh my god. Okay, you're having a 2 sausage farmer's wraps, right?
Yes.
Okay, when you were telling me you want the sandwich, so everybody heard you want the sandwich, so that's why they started making the
Okay,
sandwiches.
okay.
It's called wraps, ma'am.
Can I have
So you're having 2 sausage farmer's wraps. Anything else?
2 blueberry fritters?
2 blueberry fritters.
Medium cafe mocha.
Medium cafe mocha with 2 milk.
Medium coffee mocha with 2 milk. Anything else?
Plain donut.
1 plain donut. Anything else?
That is it.
I'm going to repeat the order. You have a 2 blueberry fritter, 1 plain donut, 1 medium coffee mocha with 2 milk, and 2 sausage farmer's wraps. Anything else I can get you?
That is it, thank you.
$20 is your total. Everything is ready for you. Please drive it out.
Have a good day. Okay, so it cost me 20 and change. So I got $5 left on my card. Here's the wrap. Not sandwich. My bad. But look how small it is now. It's like not even the size of my palm. Like before it was a lot longer. Now it's like, yeah. And it's not tightly wrapped either, so it's not really thick. But let's try it. What are you looking at? Give me a look, the guy there. Okay. There's a lot of chipotle in here, which is good. That's what it looks like inside. Cheese is melted this time. Awesome. Product is warm. It's not very hot. Eggs taste fresh. It's good. Bella, do you want your donut, baby? There we go. How's your coffee?
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, it helped my voice a little bit.
You got your voice back?
A little bit, yeah.
Good. I used to eat these every day. Back when I was working, we used to go there quite often, AJ?
Yeah.
Every day. Almost every day. Or every other day. Okay, every day. We loved Tim Hortons back then. But it's changed. The size has changed. And, I don't know.
Flavors changed.
The flavor's changed. The coffee's not the greatest anymore. I'm not too fond of their coffee, so that's why I didn't order any. Jay likes his breakfast sandwich. He likes his, what do you call it?
Farmer's
Cafe
breakfast wrap.
cafe mocha.
Oh, my God. Yeah.
So I'd rather drink at home.
Well, the one at home is better.
Definitely. You just can't wait. Here's the old-fashioned blueberry fritter. There's jam in there. Here's mine. They're pretty big. I ordered the walnut crunch one day and it was like this small. I'm like, really? So let's try this. I haven't tried this yet. So Tim Hortons Retro Blueberry Fritter. First bite, no jam. Second bite, no jam. The stuff they put on top, that icing there, is overwhelming. That's all I could taste is icing, or that
Sure.
glaze. There we go. That's a nice thumbnail. So it's just jelly, not even jam. There's no fruit in there, nothing, no chunks of fruit. It's just jelly. Nothing spectacular, guys. I've had better.
You've made better.
So the old-fashioned donuts, that's a donut. But like I said, I've had better. So I give it maybe a 6 out of 10. Well, that's what we got today. Breakfast wrap with sausage.
Yeah.
We had 2 blueberry fritters, a cafe mocha with cream, and of course a plain donut for Bella. It came up to $20. Free. Thank you, sister, for my card. The sun. Thank you, sister, for the card. It was great to have a nice free breakfast. And that is it for now. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another video. Bye for now. Man, that sun is like really bright.
It is.